Yeah, come make we chill, small. Dream TV for your mind. From Kasoa inside, the place feel proper. Authentic vibes, no long Asia. Come join the family inside the living room.
Inside the living room.
Where big dreams, where we the chair go.
Engineer, Aquaba. Yeah. And that's the Wapa gentle. And Scanaba. Diabo for dear. And the Amias, yes, you want this at your concon. Na and then I'm a Ghana on my concron Ghana. The Black Stars. Omujina Equano. A World Cup friendly matches. And then that Yaboy dear, and Rai who dear course. Brazil and France taking Romania ne ada we you hu de course na na every year so ye de na ye beka ye de obi de ni ne hia bet ye de na hia pa enti wo hwe squad coach Otu Ado wa from waton sa from a odo mo ekopie mu e wo Australia no medi o mesi akan ama o mai garen umu squad ne say sam kakra ben na obetu akafa ne squad no.
I think say from for say over tournament for the 36-man squad, but then later on now we be they say you FIFA the abase I think I say 30th of May and the deadline of the squad in November. So we did a friendly match. See, I think say we try players, you know. Maybe the so far so good. Squad in the nipa all for mamie Semenyo. Apart from Semenyo, maybe Fatal Shaku. Then I think say Francis Abu Onukrampo Pride. See the recovery, no. But Jordan are you now the day is coming back into the setup. See, I think say we need a bit determined players are the World Cup. See.
Okay.
You see.
Send and Messi at Jamie Ghana fragment to send any brand full support Ghana a baby by cook or hook. Now engineer it's a Siciano. Oshe Sanya Omo Kaka Esina and then we are GD say a bit to me Eddie Kunimana.
Mostly na Ghana kasano. Even say a tournament. Your first match be a Biana and Tankuyi Maesa. But we are quite friendly match in a day. All being to God of our side. I think say we did bit many win.
And see Oshe squad there. Sanka Farsa no way Otu Adwa. O first 11 ebe na information be na obebu.
Oh, okay.
Information no o first 11.
Alright. The starting lineup. Then I think say Benjamin Asare no go post. Then right back Gideon Mensah. Then I think say 4 and 5 no so no Ekwe Jiku. Then Benya Salisu.
Yeah. That guy. Yeah. Also Obo I think since when Obo when you playing time bo.
Yeah, 4 and 5. So Gideon Mensah will be the left back. Then right back there Ali Duseidu.
Okay.
From Rennes, France. So maybe defenders no. Then your bank 50 on Muswa. I think say 6 no.
Say Sibu ne Pati. Wo me no na sisia no.
Okay, Sibu everybody as a DM. That's number 6. Then Patiabu 8. They say Kudusi no.
Yeah.
So everybody 10 Kudusi no. See, I think say 10 no ekwe bit say maybe Usu Prince, like that guy is a very, very good player. So no about 10 in Maya. Then wings, you know, Yibinya Fatal Shaku, then Yibinya Jordan Ayu, then Semenyo and the up front.
Okay, you think say
it's 4-3-3.
4-3-3. And that's Otu Ado ne starting way.
Yeah. So,
and what in there adwen ho.
Okay, to me there, so Bono or 4-3-3 Maya. I think so I know never better.
4-3-3.
Yeah. 4 at the back, 3 at the midfield, then 3 up front. The midfield in the center made in Cabo Ball. Pesisibo, then Thomas Partey, then Prince Owusu, then why back front train. Ebenya Jordan Ayew, ebenya Fatai Shaku, ebenya Antoine Semenyo up front.
Okay. Say maybe I also share either YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, but with the comment about senior engineer why the starting we line up no. So when any adrian and that's also information line up be but me the about comment section as they senior also wondering to is and then the send me near is your brain can be as no Ghana kunimdi eh dia ma konkro Ghana and kunimdi eh dia na face no the sound no like what share na wa comment all social media your honum Dream TV, Facebook, Dream TV, TikTok, Dream TV, YouTube. Like, share, comment. Now, subscribe. Send a Danny day na your post here. Obey be actually engineer. You're not to train combo. That's uncle engineer. And then who goes prediction to say.
I think say Austria for no so yeah, mind be a very strong. Because coach in very experienced coach. That's Ralph Ragnick. Like there was some coaches be on man. He trained them on now. But it's
Okay.
it is I think coach Thomas Tuchel. Thomas Tuchel, or not Thomas Tuchel from Borussia Dortmund and the more Chelsea. Before say Obimu the coaching in the in fact, a very experienced coach. You know, Austria for no someone near bad, sir. Austria for no someone near bad.
And so, and maybe in him, sir, so Australia bad by a vessel. And saying now, if you say, supposed to say, Ghana a bit much, because, yeah, because you know what boss you best say, yeah, we near you that. Because squad I had a quality, I believe in them. Oh, I know my boys are good.
Oh, okay.
And that person, what I say, Black Stars, Casano, or my Concro Ghana, more than more than it. It's an old scholar, you say.
Pair the young squad and almost squad. 2-1 be okay.
2-1. Then against Ghana, and I say,
In favor of Black Stars.
good. What can you? Honestly, 2-1. Engineer, they say, but me say 3-0. Ghana, you say 3 goals. And then we po. Semenyo will go. Back it on the wall. Semenyo will go. Pate, best go. Bakuna can be a bit to me. I say, what they won't predict. Opa, why won't you mean China? Say, India. Engineer. Yeah, but World Cup. We say friendly matches, boy. Oh, yeah, one first squad in ya. Fi yenya tin who say, "What dropping some boys be 2 boys be near day." I go shame no. That thing say, Inaki, what dropping? I don't know Inaki now or dropping no. Comment ko fu brigana for kasa bi so. Wanya there, bi so aya there. I don't know. Bi abo qualifies na fi. World Cup bi na what dropping no. Anasa one friend no. Senya, Oman flare Inaki no. One otu adu eya adwe ho no ma na asese ana ase bibi wo ho nti o man frere ana
I think say until me start in the beginning can say FIFA e dey aba say maximum 26 players and e dey go tournament. Until deadline 30th May. Until no bibia betimi si friendly match ya ebo betimi pra because 36 players e be yibie na e dey 26 akọ betimi pra. Then maybe on bet my friend Inaki Asamba back to the squad in you. But as by Inaki performance, for me, and said that this through the brief and man because made them immediately can say blasters, blasters is CSM preparing their words, yeah. Less or more for mommy. Even Thomas Partey me your friend me to me Lanka. You shouldn't be in the squad.
Partey no, yes starting time.
Yes, it's to be a experience.
Yeah.
But this also Thomas Partey performance this season at Villarreal. It's saying
And I make sure say on ya playing time but by no bet will be actually Villarreal self. Oh no yes or Partey. Kudus for injury. Kudus for injury. But we pray say World Cup we do no why fit.
Yes, it's not make us say World Cup tournament tournament. Yes, nipa ni din say di na ko. It's about the performance.
By engineer me pan the me no to add and so listen Inaki Williams so we cry na so on watch for best short players. Our experience e wo bom. Hwe Inaki hwe bo a last season obo Watiku at Atletico Bilbao. boy hwe qualifies ni ade nya game odi e etire say sisi ana well so from kakra yen start game ne ti wo de mo ma dem bra ne yen hwe the performance
it's in America say friendly matches ni mbo wie e two yene Austria bebo yene Germany be sambo 36 players na ya from obi betimi pra e betimi asan fed back to the your friend is a setup ni bio
na wo friend na go wa bobo qualify say real
gas on back
engineer it's a one wa qualify say real ahwefo ana mo ne me ya dia engineer Canada me kan one out there wa bobo qualify say wie na game no akense na ebedu na ya frɛ na say later on no obi akopra na ya frɛ say bra one ka baba na obeba but the obaba bet to be honest oman ya dey some drop him
in America say it's about performance enye di ni ko enye first enye tournament and I say start time aye be start say about qualifies eno na bia na performance ni okay but at the end na yes I run another season ni performance enko yie it's in America say blasters the pempe current me there the players are omo performance ni ekọ enim and e was ro mame inak semenyo fatal sharp
yeah say omo ya
yes Jordan Ayew fra on championship
the
performance let say recently say for the day Ayew be kan onu na
say onya start
na relax na say na onya team ebo obi a tournament ye be ko tournament aye performance was ro obi atne fie say recently na
they is a very good player. What that's all both team and so team they can play. Oh they said no you be born bia. Yeah let's see.
But on status on 29 what if yes only recent no nya
experience is the best.
It was we have cover enough Williams conversation about. Say na we can say obi a wa boss ye ni dey fu any dey dey you dey aba be so. But yes it was a cover in they dey you dey no so.
They know some 1 or 2 reasons only team
yes
but since we both team I think say we both team since we bought almost 1 month ni we bought
I feel now we bought say too much
if you boy
okay now the said the until na we dey back said the we bought qualify so they are qualify I feel we bought a World Cup a friendly match is ye in
players ni why from one but they dey friend akoba what they
international player number.
Oh, me casa over bet. Me na because it me ni there. Woman ni na ni there. And abra otu ado
they dey conversation abem.
Otu ado friend squad ni ba ye no. Na bi mo say adentina one for local players ni bi am I think say local player wo me Benjamin Asare say
goalkeeper.
Yeah, bi mo say adentina one for local players ni bi am bo friendly matches no when we
local players no Kenya no. Our performance and your consistency our form. Hwe Benjamin Asare ono why secured number 1 the goalkeeping department no because the performance now other need Accra Sukuk like consistency it's a upe Ghana Premier League upe goalkeeper okita a lot of clean sheet and this is we keep clean sheet bar that's Benjamin Asare by yenhwe protocol players abetamu onu ayilem na say onya team bi outside Ghana or buy asamba bio performance net say as you focus so Martin Kakarimo say Amza Isam on performance net say it's a local players in there performance and consistency and to so and then we have this is your form next season a call off we or form and next season a call off what I say see me the local players in there me even if some can blasters no plan sometimes you know and said that me worried with this as answer more performance and your consistency
okay yeah that's on performance and your consistency engineer NSC nyame na me see engineer na yana na twetwe komo no aye Dream TV the living room dwumedie no na wasugu so awoti and then Friday 27th March 2026 and then that Ghana on the Austria ebesi akan ayankofa akansie ewo World Cup yekobo emu and then 5 o'clock pepe sharp aha ebeye butu update ni ade ba wa ase engineer wa hanom ko se sebe no wotwe de ya ne no wa na bedi djuma no or the update ni abebre commentary no oba ne squad baba ɔmo de analysis ni bibiara bɛma ɛwɔ ha no say na ɔtumi nkan ɛyɛ musomfo na ɛyɛ mensa mene ɛyɛ engineer na ɛtwetwe nkɔmɔ